Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today get ready for an awe-inspiring journey to one of Italy's most captivating destinations. We're diving into the stunning beauty of the mesmerizing island of Capri.
If you like this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to unlock awesome. Now back to the video.
Travel tip. If you're going on the Capri tour from Amalfi, you have limited time. You need to go directly to Capri via ferry. Travel tip. If Capri is not your final destination, there are plenty of places where you can store your luggage. Our adventure begins as we jump on an enjoyable bus tour. Hold on to your hats as we make our way onto the famous Mamma Mia road, where the views are nothing short of epic. Get ready to be awestruck, because this is a sight that'll take your breath away.
2, 1, Mamma Mia!
Now it's time for a thrilling chairlift ride up to Anacapri. As we ascend, you'll be treated with sweeping vistas of Capri's coastline and azure waters. It's a journey that you and your kids will remember for a lifetime. Travel tip. Don't forget to bring change when you get to the top if you need to use the restroom. It costs €1. From up here, the world looks like a painting. The island's charm is truly unique, and with every passing moment, you'll fall more in love with Capri's natural beauty. Now let's set sail on the delightful boat tour around the coast of Capri. The azure waters beckon, leaving us hidden gems and mesmerizing spots. Our journey to Capri has been nothing short of extraordinary, and I'm thrilled to have shared this unforgettable experience with each one of you. I hope that it has brought you joy and inspiration to your day. Thank you for coming along on this amazing ride, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Let's continue exploring together and discovering more incredible destinations around the world. Until next time, happy travels, and may each adventure be as magical as your time in Capri.